Mao pay nga gabi Attorney Zay, waray-waray kangayan. May dalak pa kiana, okay la ba nga i-record secretly ang amon conversation sa group chat? Mao pay nga gabi ma'am, oo, waray-waray po taga Samar. So, balikit sa mo pakianan no, may dakit ginatawag na Anti-Wiretapping Act or RA 4200. And under this law, generally, it is not allowed to record the private conversation without the consent of all the parties involved. So, ang requirement sa balaod is dapat mag-consent ang tanan nga parties nga ada siton nga group chat. Dili pwede nga pipirala. So, an effect sini is if later on gamiton nimo ini nga imo recording as evidence in court, it will be considered as inadmissible because it was obtained or it was done illegally if waray mag-consent ang iba nga tawo sa group chat. So, di rin mo siya pwede magamit sa korte as ebidensya, okay? So, I think nabaton na ako na nimo pakiana, ma'am. So, if may da pa ka pakiana, just comment down below and I'll try to answer them all. So, that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.